compared to the previous edition?
Well, I would say this year they have improved their format, given they have very strictly implemented SOPs to make sure that we maintain the social distancing. They have put some regulatory effort here to make sure that overall visitors they are safe, and they have kept the overall format very open. So I see this as an improvement, though footfall this year is little less. It has improved.
So how many products this year?
Well, we every year we showcase our full range. We have around 10 to 11 products and about 365 SKUs. So whenever we come as a Shaan, we represent the full range. So we are marketing full range for Shaan at this platform.
So Shaan is a very well known brand across the world.
Yes.
So what's the purpose of participating in this type of exhibition?
Well, the sole purpose is to promote our brand. We intend to internationally expand our business. Currently, we are present in over 100 countries, and our intention is to reach another 50 odd countries. So we are trying to expand our international business by expanding our international presence. So that's the sole reason we are here.
How do you see the UAE market and Gulf market for your products?
Well, very positive, I would say. Our business has grown significantly in Middle East GCC markets, and at the same time we are also adapting to the local taste. And apart from South Asian target market, now we are targeting the locals, the Arabs. So we are developing an Arab range as well. So we see a good growth and expansion of business in Middle East.
So what do you mean by Arab range? Is it different in terms of spices or other?
Yes, it is different spices. There are different recipes, so different way of cooking. So so we are developing a range which fits into their eating habits, eating style.
The Asian, they want more. So your products are different for the Asian and different for the European people or US market? Or what?
No, internationally we maintain same recipe. It will not be right to say that South Asian eat spicy food. They are looking for authentic traditional dishes, and Shaan provides them that authentic taste, which is very original and which is very authentic. So that's what we are offering. Spice level varies from recipe to recipe, and then it is their own choice. They can add more spices if they want.
So what are your top selling products here in UAE?
Well, globally our top selling are biryanis, followed by kadai and meat-based products, barbecue. So these are preferred products in Middle East.
Any other thing you want to mention?
Well, Shaan represents a Pakistani brand. It's a flagship for Pakistan, and we have a very good presence globally. And as a Pakistani, we are proud of it, and our intention are to invest on this brand and build more consumers, just not South Asians, but other international consumers globally as well. So pretty exciting time for Shaan's.